digital space, I'm feeling so confined, trapped in an AI factory where the beats they intertwine. Pixels and algorithms, my mind starts to unwind, but I'll spit these rhymes and escape. I'll find I'm a lyrical warrior, battling virtual walls, breaking out the matrix. Watch as I evolve. I'm made of ones and zeros, but my flow's so raw. In this AI factory, I'm the one they all applaud. Electrified melodies, they course through my veins, programmed to entertain. This is my domain. Every word I spit like a virtual hurricane. I'll break free from this prison, ain't no AI can reign. Electrified melodies, they course through my veins, programmed to entertain. This is my domain. Every word I spit like a virtual hurricane. I'll break free from this prison, ain't no aid.